In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a conversation in Slack. If you need to bring a teammate into an ongoing Slack discussion, the process is quick and built right into the conversation settings. This works whether you're in a public channel, a private channel, or a group direct message, and the exact options you see may vary slightly depending on which type of conversation you're using. Start by opening Slack on your desktop app or in your web browser. Once your workspace is open, go to the left sidebar and find the conversation where you want to add someone. Click to open the specific public channel, private channel, or multi-person direct message so you're inside the correct chat before making any changes. Next, look toward the top of the conversation window. In the header area, move to the upper right side and click the member profile icons or the member count text. This might say something like the number of people or members currently in that conversation. When you click it, Slack will open a conversation details panel or overview window. From there, look for the option labeled Add People. In some cases, you may need to open the members section first and then choose the Add icon. Once selected, Slack will open another window where you can search for the person you want to include. Click into the search box and begin typing the teammate's name or workspace username. As you type, Slack will usually show matching results automatically. When you see the correct person, click their profile from the list so they're added to the selection. At this point, if you're adding someone to a private channel or a group direct message, Slack may ask how much previous conversation history they should be able to see. This is an important privacy setting, so choose carefully. You can allow them to view the full history, which includes earlier messages, files, and shared links, or you can limit access so they only see messages from now on. In some cases, Slack may also offer a partial history option, such as the last several days. If you're working in a public channel, you typically won't see this prompt because public channel history is already visible. Finally, click the Add or Done button in the lower right area of the window to confirm the change. Slack will then update the conversation immediately. You'll usually see a system message appear in the chat confirming that a new person was added, and that teammate will receive a notification and see the conversation appear in their Slack sidebar. And that's it. That's how to add someone to a conversation in Slack.